general contractors, shed contractors, pool, patio, fencing contractors can create site plans for preliminary and conceptual stage, or even the city permits submittal filing in just couple of clicks themselves, just from the address. The first step is entering the address of the property in US. So here we have the property line of these two properties pulled up, and if it's not showing for your address, you can turn on the other sources. There will be always couple of sources to pull the property lines. We're gonna go with the first available one maybe, and if it doesn't load up, even in that case you can pull the other sources to load up. Let's select this property, and the moment you selected it, it started showing up the distances and the angles. Those are basically bearings of the property. If you turn it off, from the other source, it's showing the parcel number, the acreage, the square footage of the property. Okay, the next step you're going to do is pick the front. Let's say if this is the front of the property, generate setbacks. Now, if the setback value is for the front, let's say 40, for the side and the rear, let's say 10, regenerate. Now here you have the setbacks. The next step is the drafting buddy is a conversational tool. At the left bottom, start with the property line. It will keep telling you the next step to follow. Contour lines. Let's generate. Now here you have the contour lines. Those are basically topographical surface lines, the lines showing the elevation of your property at different spots. Decrease the interval, ideally 1 and 5. Regenerate, and here you have the closer interval contour lines. The next step you're going to do is the pick the frontage to generate the right of way. Generate, and here you have by default the 50 feet. Mostly it's 50. The dotted white line showing the right of way. We can draw the road with just 2 clicks. If it's 32 feet, draw road, pick the center, click the other side, double click, close, turn it off. Go to site plan and generate. And here you have, with correct distances, all the walls, all the exterior sides with dimensions of the building and the address of the building. So that's how you get the building footprints. You can close it off. Tree, you can place the tree outside the property, drag it in, and that's it. The next step is the pathway easement, or also called ingress egress easement. This is a central line already showing where the pathway is running through. Draw the easement pathway, click on it, follow it, or follow the aerial view if you can see those edges of the pavement. Close it and decrease the width and adjust. After adjusting, you'll have a perfectly shaped pathway. Let's add these structures. Let's say you're going to place a carport or garage maybe, or ADU. Place it here and move it. If that's a proposed location, you can resize it and then go to the dimension. That's the last step. Mode between two lines and pick dimension. You will pick the outer side of the property line and the placement, the placed structure. And that's it. Go to export plan, capture, and here is the site plan. Done. You can download and you can change the label like deck proposed site plan or deck construction site plan. The parcel ID is already pulled. There is a property data like square footage, impervious area. The legend is there, vicinity map, pretty much everything required for the conceptual site plan to the initial. It can be part of the initial permit filing document as well. Download the PDF, open it up, let's zoom in. Here you have the bearings and distances labeled. Uh, you have the abbreviations, proposed building, right of way, SQ square footage. You can add the name, which is your name, the contractor name or your company name right here. And the land use in this case is a commercial lot, and the location coordinates of the place, the date, everything is automatically filled. So quick short steps.